Sit down and vibe with me one more time, guys. I'm here at Laguna Beach, California at Table Rock. You just go up PCH until you hit Laguna Beach a little bit more, and then you're gonna hit a street called Table Rock, and then you go down Eagle Rock Way. It's a little stairway, and that little building you see right there, that's the ledge that a lot of people jump off of. Couple things just to let you guys know, there are very cool tide pools here, and you can see all kinds of life, from little baby opali right there, those fish with the white dot on them, just in case if you guys seen them before and didn't know what they were, to like all kinds of fish, a little sculpin, and I think right here you even see a little lionfish. If you guys do decide to cliff jump at this spot, please wait till about 6 or 7 or whenever the sun's setting, because that's when the lifeguard leaves, and if the lifeguard sees you, he will phone a cop and you guys will get a ticket. It's like without a doubt. I've seen it happen. Here are some pictures I took myself. That's the little rock or the edge that you guys would be jumping off of, and here's the other side of the beach. It's just a beautiful beach all the way around, and if you sit there you can see the locals do some crazy stunts off this rock, but if you don't want to do that, just do a little simple jump.
I slow down, my eyes are closed, motor functions moving slower.
Emotional, we're rolling dope. I ask myself, why am I sober? I slow down, my eyes are closing, motor functions moving slower. Oh, I just got a slow one before I gotta go. She hit me on the DM, I said hit me on the weekend. Hello, we plus in the semen, I will get a sleep. Love thyself, and I always believe in me.
If you guys like what you saw, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for joining me, guys. Stay up.